Hey, what's good, y'all? It's C Will here with the Passive Income Network. And on this video, we'll be talking about all the breaking news that's been happening in the cryptocurrency space. So let's dive right on in, and we'll start with Exodus. Their stock has just been listed on the New York Stock Exchange. So let's check out this post from the Algorand Foundation. So it says, congratulations are in order for the Exodus team on their New York Stock Exchange listing. The Exodus common stock token is tokenized on the Algorand blockchains. Tokenizing common stock on chain, Algorand can. So this is dope. Let's watch this quick little video here. So big hand claps because of the news. Very important. So Exodus is a wallet provider, the only crypto wallet you need. And I've definitely tried Exodus. It's a pretty cool wallet. They have in-wallet staking. You can hold multiple different assets. And essentially, they are listed now on the New York Stock Exchange. And so, Coinbase is there. You got some crypto miners. However, but to see a crypto wallet being listed is amazing. I don't know exactly what their revenue or anything is like, but it must be good enough to be in the stock exchange. So what's cool? Let's break this down. So if we're seeing a stock of crypto stock being tokenized on a blockchain, that opens up the world of possibilities for what could actually happen in crypto. People are talking about Coinbase stock being tokenized. So there's a whole bunch of things there that can change the whole game, where you can actually hold stocks on chain in your crypto wallet, and that opens up more liquidity, more degens, more opportunities. So we're definitely going to be following what's going to be happening here. And then for Algorand, it is huge because Algorand is the blockchain they have chosen. Pretty dope. So let's move on to the next breaking news. It's been out for a little while now, but Ripple USD, otherwise known as RLUSD, is now live on global exchanges. An enterprise-grade stablecoin built for everyone, RLUSD combines fiat stability with blockchain efficiency. Instant global payments 24/7, seamless on and off ramps, access value in the real world. So pretty dope. Ripple, we know, took off recently, along with a few of the other L1 utility dinos. And to see Ripple dropping a stable coin is pretty huge. So they're talking about cross-border payments and all of the good things that you can do there with a stable coin instead of just using the XRP token. So transparent, stable, trusted Ripple USD, real-time payments, and easy fiat to stablecoin on and off ramps. So this is a blockchain one, a little bit different from Circle's USDC, which also should be going public pretty soon. But payment service providers, remittance and money transfers, and then centralized exchanges. So pretty cool for the Ripple fam and for crypto overall. Here's all the platforms that RLUSD is available on. So why use Ripple USD? Stability can exist without accountability. Ripple USD is built with regulatory compliance as a defining feature, bringing with it an opportunity for developers, payment providers, exchanges, and others to benefit from the stability and transparency Ripple is uniquely able to provide with the first enterprise-ready stablecoin. With over a decade of experience at the intersection of crypto and finance and a proven track record working with regulators and policymakers across the globe, Ripple is accelerating the digital asset economy with RLUSD. So multi-chain issuance issued on XRP Ledger, Ethereum, Ripple USD opens the door. So they definitely smart from also be listing on Ethereum. Deeper relationships, deeper stability, programmable finance. And we know Ripple has paid a lot of money along with other crypto companies for the U.S. Campaigns that were running in 2024. So they have a lot of influence. All right, let's get to the last piece of Breaking news. U.S. to dump 69K BTC from Silk Road before Donald Trump takes over. That's something that we don't want to hear. Personally, the U.S. might as well keep the Bitcoin, right? That's my opinion. However, they want to dump the Bitcoin that they seized from Silk Road. And one would say, how did they seize the Bitcoin anyway? Maybe that story will come out. But the U.S. DOJ is set to sell 69,370 Bitcoin worth $6.5 billion after court approval. The approval comes just weeks before Donald Trump takes office. A year-long ownership dispute preceded the court's decision. Speculate a little bit. So right here, Bitcoin cracks over 92,000 in November of 2024, November 19th, November 20th. And we get rise all the way up to 108,000, some slight retracement. And again, I'm on the daily chart. And if we zoom in a little bit more, we see Bitcoin needs to hold the line at roughly 92,000 and some change, 91,000 and some change. And looking at this chart right here, the 8 EMA just crossed under the 21, and you can see it right here with the 3 days of downtrend from that 100,000 peak just happening on Monday the 6th. And if it busts through here, the next level I see is essentially as far or low as 70,000, right? The RSI has also crossed over into a deeper territory than it has been since it last pullback on November 30th. So we do not want to see that, but with weeks coming until Trump's inauguration, and if they're going to dump basically 8.5 billion worth of Bitcoin, anything can happen. So we could definitely see at least a retracement down to 83,000. That's where the 21 EMA is. And if we see that, that's not the worst, right? That's a buying opportunity. But if we do the 72,000, which is down to these levels here, that could cause a massive scare in the market. And we don't want to see the dump to 72,000. We know institutions like MicroStrategy are purchasing. However, a big dump of $8.8 billion at one time could cause a panic. Let me know what y'all think about the Exodus, Ripple, RLUSD, and the DOJ about to dump Bitcoin. Leave your comments, thoughts, or questions in the chat below. Peace. Passive income. Gold in my dental. Thank God for my mental. Investor fundamentals. Told my girl it was simple.